There are various web-based software options available for tracking projects and managing related paperwork. These solutions generally fall into two categories: project management software and document management software, although some platforms offer a combination of both. Let's explore some options. Firstly, Asana is a collaborative project management tool that offers document storage and collaboration features. It's designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. Secondly, Basecamp is a comprehensive project management platform that includes document sharing, task tracking, and messaging capabilities. It aims to provide a centralized space for teams to communicate and collaborate on projects. Thirdly, Conceptboard is a web-based whiteboard and collaboration tool that allows for idea generation, document annotation, and project planning. It provides a visual workspace for teams to brainstorm and work together. Fourthly, Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines project management, note-taking, and document storage. It's a flexible tool that can be customized to fit various workflows and project needs. Fifthly, Monday.com is a customizable work management platform that offers project tracking, document management, and team collaboration features. It provides a visual and intuitive interface for managing projects and workflows. Sixthly, Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and documents. It's a simple and flexible tool that can be used for a wide range of projects. Seventhly, Airtable is a flexible database management tool that can be customized to create project trackers and document repositories. It allows for organizing and managing data in a structured and visually appealing way. Eighthly, Google Workspace is a suite of web-based productivity tools including Docs, Sheets, and Drive that enables seamless project collaboration and document sharing. It's a widely used platform that offers a range of tools for creating, storing, and collaborating on documents. Ninthly, Jira is an agile project management software that supports agile methodologies and includes customizable workflows for project tracking and document handling. It's designed for software development teams but can be adapted for other types of projects as well. Tenthly, Wrike is an enterprise-level project management platform with advanced features for project planning, document management, and collaboration. It's a robust tool that can handle complex projects and workflows. Turning now to dedicated document management software. Firstly, DocuSign is a leading electronic signature solution that integrates with many project management tools to streamline document signing and approval. It allows for signing documents electronically, eliminating the need for paper-based signatures. Secondly, Salesforce Quip is a real-time document collaboration tool that allows teams to work on documents together and track changes. It's designed to improve team communication and collaboration on documents. Thirdly, Adobe Acrobat Sign is a digital signature solution that provides secure and legally binding electronic signatures. It offers a range of features for managing and tracking documents. Fourthly, Dropbox Business is a cloud-based file storage and sharing service with features for document organization and collaboration. It allows for storing and sharing files securely, and it offers features for version control and collaboration. Fifthly, Google Drive is a cloud-based file storage and collaboration tool that enables document sharing, editing, and version control. It integrates with other Google Workspace apps, making it easy to create, store, and share documents. Sixthly, Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud-based file storage and collaboration service that integrates with Microsoft Office applications. It allows for storing and sharing files, and it offers features for version control and collaboration. Finally, Box is an enterprise-grade file sharing and collaboration platform with document management, version control, and security features. It's designed for businesses with strict security and compliance requirements. When selecting project and document management software, consider the specific needs of the project and the team. Some key factors to evaluate include the size and complexity of the project, the number of team members involved, the level of collaboration required, the security requirements, and the budget. It's also helpful to try out different software options to see which ones best fit the team's workflow and preferences. Most software vendors offer free trials or demos. Project management software helps teams organize, track, and manage tasks, deadlines, and resources. It provides a centralized platform for communication and collaboration, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Document management software helps teams store, organize, and share documents securely. It provides features such as version control, access control, and audit trails, ensuring that documents are properly managed and protected. Many project management software platforms include document management features and vice versa. For example, Asana, Basecamp, and Monday.com all offer both project management and document management capabilities. However, some teams may prefer to use separate project management and document management software, especially if they have specific needs or requirements. For example, a team that needs to sign a lot of contracts may choose to use DocuSign, while a team that needs to store and share large files may choose to use Dropbox Business. Ultimately, the best approach is to choose the software that best meets the needs of the project and the team. Consider the features that are most important, such as task management, document sharing, communication, and security. Also, consider the ease of use and the cost of the software. By carefully evaluating the different options, teams can find the software that will help them to be more productive and efficient. When implementing new project or document management software, it's important to provide training to team members. This will help them to understand how to use the software effectively and to avoid common mistakes. It's also important to establish clear guidelines for using the software, such as naming conventions for files and folders, and procedures for tracking tasks and deadlines. By following these guidelines, teams can ensure that the software is used consistently and that it helps them to achieve their goals. Regular maintenance and updates are also important for ensuring that the software continues to function properly. This includes installing security patches, updating software versions, and backing up data. By taking these steps, teams can protect their data and ensure that the software remains reliable. Cloud-based solutions offer numerous advantages, including accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection, automatic backups, and scalability. They eliminate the need for local servers and IT infrastructure, reducing costs and complexity. However, it's important to choose a cloud provider that offers robust security and privacy features to protect sensitive data. On-premises solutions, on the other hand, offer greater control over data and security. They may be preferred by organizations with strict compliance requirements or those that want to maintain complete control over their IT infrastructure. However, on-premises solutions require significant investment in hardware, software, and IT staff. Hybrid solutions combine the best of both worlds, allowing organizations to store some data in the cloud and other data on-premises. This approach provides flexibility and control, but it also requires careful planning and management. The key is to choose the solution that best meets the organization's specific needs and requirements. Integration with other tools is another important factor to consider. Many project and document management software platforms integrate with other popular tools, such as CRM systems, accounting software, and email clients. This integration can streamline workflows and improve productivity. For example, integrating project management software with a CRM system can help sales teams to track leads and manage projects more effectively. Integrating document management software with accounting software can help finance teams to store and manage invoices and other financial documents. The level of customization offered by the software is also important. Some software platforms offer a high degree of customization, allowing organizations to tailor the software to their specific needs. Others are more rigid, offering less flexibility. The level of customization required will depend on the complexity of the organization's workflows and the specific needs of the team. Reporting and analytics features are also important for tracking progress and identifying areas for improvement. These features provide insights into project performance, team productivity, and document usage. By analyzing this data, teams can identify bottlenecks and improve their processes. For example, a project manager can use reporting and analytics features to track the progress of tasks and identify any tasks that are falling behind schedule. A document manager can use these features to track document usage and identify any documents that are not being used effectively. Choosing the right project and document management software can have a significant impact on an organization's productivity and efficiency. By carefully evaluating the different options and considering the specific needs of the team, organizations can find the software that will help them to achieve their goals. In summary, selecting the right web-based software to track projects and manage paperwork involves considering project management tools, document management systems, or integrated platforms. Evaluate features like collaboration, task tracking, file sharing, and security. Assess if cloud-based, on-premises, or hybrid solutions align best with organizational needs. Consider integration capabilities with existing tools and the level of customization offered. Reporting and analytics features can further refine decision-making, enhancing productivity and efficiency.